I just stumbled upon this new and nifty tool which is called as AWS IAM Dashboard. This AWS IAM Dashboard tells you which AWS services can perform what actions. So if you look at this website and go to Services and Actions tab, you can see all of the AWS services here. And then when you click on any service such as Amazon API Gateway, then you will see what actions you can perform on this API Gateway through IAM. You can invalidate cache, invoke, and manage connections. Similarly, if you are looking to deploy a service and don't know what actions are there because it's a bit cryptic to go into AWS documentation and search it out, you can come to this AWS IAM dashboard and search for those actions here, such as AWS Backup has 74 actions and you can search it here. Now, going back to the AWS IAM dashboard, on the top, it shows the first row, it shows you the statistics about the AWS services, like how many services are there at the moment, how many average actions you can perform, median actions, and then distinctive resource earns. Also, then in the second row, there are some statistics about the write actions, read actions, list action, and so on. This is quite interesting where you can see that the services with most action is Amazon EC2 with 609 at the top, and then we have SageMaker, and then so on. The service with the least action is CloudTrail data, followed by this elemental support and lot of others. Scroll down and you will see that this section shows you most referenced resource, Amazon resource numbers. And like this organization has 126 because organization is accessed by multi-account, so that makes sense. And then if you scroll down, you will see the services with longest prefix and the shortest prefix, and then longest action name, shortest action name. This is also quite interesting. And then these are the IAM conditions with the longest and shortest condition key names. Quite interesting. I will drop the link to this dashboard in video's description. Feel free to go and explore it further. Thank you very much.